Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how many days and it will take to publish an article in different journal. Depending upon the article comes for review process, depending and how the editor send them for the review to different reviewer. So everything is we can say that if we send one article whether the reviewer is free or not, so everything is basically this. In this method we can just make one approximation that this journal will take 20 days, 50 days, or maybe 60 days. So right now if we have to check, in most of the Springer journal give this criteria that it will take 50 days from submission to its first decision and 187 days from submission to acceptance. But how can we check it, right? So if you want to check, then I just give just an example that I'm selecting the latest article, because latest article can, we can say that we can come to know the latest trend, how many days it will take. Okay, so I just click this article, this is the latest article. So if you check it at the bottom, you write here the article is received on 2nd of February and it is accepted in 13th of April. After acceptance, just published, I think less than 1 month it has been published, and it will take 2 months from its from receiving then acceptance. Okay, so if instead of this, if I will take some other article, suppose this one, so we can come to know here 24th of November 2020, then 11th of April. So received 24th of November, then this is December, and there are 4 months. So in this 4 months there is one at least one revision definitely came, and then acceptance to its publication is less than 1 month. Okay, so we can take at least 5 to 6 and then you can make the average. Okay, we can come to an approximate idea that this much time this journal is taking from its when the editor receives its paper and then its acceptance. Okay, so depending upon how many revision, because nothing is mentioned that the article is given for 1 revision, 2 revision, or 3 revision, I do not know, but you can definitely get an idea of this. So I'm here, I am online first articles because these are the latest one. So just okay, if I take this article, okay, so you can find here at the bottom 14th October, then 11th of April. So on an average we can say that it will take approximately 4 to 6 months on an average. 4 months you can expect that if we send after 4 months, in between that there is definitely one revision came. So we can say that after maybe 2 months the revision will came, then we submit the article, then again review process. So this journal is taking this much time. If we take the example of suppose this is another journal, is Elsevier journal. In Elsevier journal, if I open view articles, then this page will open. Okay, and you please check article in press because these are the latest one. So if I click here operation of this, okay, so optimization of operation parameter, so optimization operation parameter, so before this is this one, then we show more, and then since this was received on 25th of May and revised on 2nd of December, so approximately 6 months from 25th of May to its revision, which is submitted. Revised means on after revision it has been submitted, then accepted on 8th of April. So we can say that approximately 11 months the journal is taking. So not you can also make 2 or 3 check here. So if so here you check 27th of August, then revised 29th, and then maybe, so we can say that approximately 8 or 9 months it is taking for its acceptance, from its submission to the acceptance. But I must say that if you want to publish article in a faster manner, you can you can check at least, first check your scope, whether the journal is in whether your article is in scope of this journal, and what is the frequency of the journal, then how much time it is taking from its submission to its acceptance, from its submission to its first decision. So basically this journal is in my criteria, because my field. So if I click view journal, then there is these articles. So if I check this, so prediction of welding quality, the prediction of welding qualities, it is submitted on 14th June 2020, and then revised on 4th of August 2020, accepted on 11th August. So we can say that within a span of 3 months, maybe, okay, 2 months, the article is published, not published but accepted. Okay, then published, we can say that it will take it is taking 3 months from its acceptance to publication. Okay, we can check another. So if we check this article, maybe at least you have to check 4 or 5 articles. Okay, so 19th May 2020, then revised in July and August, is accepted. So we can say that it is taking approximately 3 months. So I think a journal is fast as compared to the journal. So if it go to the review process, then we can say that the journal is very good, because it is published within a span of 3 months. Even you can also check, there are many journals whose first decision came in 30 or maybe very less time. I remember one journal, not this is Material Research Express, but this is an open access journal. So here it is median submission to first decision before peer review, it is 2 days. Okay, median submission from first decision after peer review, if the journal is rejecting, some journal says that the article is not in our scope, so that decision came within 2 days. So if the journal go for review process, it will take approximately 23 days. So that is an important thing before submission, because most of the person wants their article at a faster manner, because some PhD submission is required, or we need that our article or research published as soon as possible. Okay, so I think this will definitely help you to get your article published in a faster manner. Okay, so I just say thank you.